Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of e-commerce army. Today in this video I am going to tell you how you can change the cart icon of your Shopify store. So if you don't like the default cart icon of your Shopify website, this video is exactly for you. So before starting the video, please make sure to subscribe my channel and also hit the like button if you like my video. So before wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to go to your Shopify admin and please make sure to duplicate your Shopify theme. So if you did anything wrong in the code, so you did not ruin your whole website. So after duplicating your to duplicate your Shopify theme, go to your published theme and click on action and click on duplicate. So I have already duplicated my theme, so I am not going to duplicate again. So after duplicating your Shopify theme, click on the actions button on the duplicate file and click on edit code. Okay, once you get on the code section of your Shopify template, go into your snippets file of your Shopify theme and look for icon cart.liquid. So here is the link of our cart icon. So we will select this code and remove it. After removing it, click on save button. So now our default cart icon is removed. We will add a new cart icon. So for that you will go to this cart icon website. There are so many choice of cart icons. You can select any icon of your own choice. So I am going to select this cart icon file. So we will, after selecting the file, we will go to embed HTML and we will copy this code. After copying this code, we will go back to our Shopify code section and paste this HTML and click on save button. After the asset is saved, we will click on preview and here you can see the cart icon is showing. You can also adjust the cart icon of it may be show big on your website, so you can also adjust that. To adjust that, we need to place another code. For that we will go into assets and look for theme.css file, and by going at the end of this file, we will place this code here. I have already placed the code here, so don't worry, I will provide the code and the cart icon website link in my description. So you can also adjust the width and height of your according to your own choice. You can maybe make it 15 or 10, 20, anything that you like. I am going with the 25 pixel. So after saving this file, we will click on preview and you can see it's showing according to 25 pixels. So this is it from today's video. So if you want to keep watching Shopify videos, please make sure to subscribe my channel, and if you are looking for any help and consultation, you can contact me on Skype. I have provided the link in the description. So see you in the next video.